Welcome to the Hufeisen-Ranch, where the rugged beauty of Wyoming meets the art of ethical ranching. We're not just a ranch, we're a family-owned and operated legacy. With a passion for raising the finest Wagyu cattle, our commitment to sustainable practices and animal well-being shines through in every bite. Our cattle thrive on open pastures, soaking in the sun, and grazing on the finest grasses, resulting in Wagyu beef that's beyond compare. Our promise is simple: 100% grass-fed, full of flavor, and raised with care. No shortcuts, no compromises. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just love a good meal, you deserve the taste of perfection that only Wagyu can deliver. From ribeyes to fillets, our cuts are a cut above. Each bite is a celebration of quality, flavor, and the hard work that goes into each and every one of our steaks. So gather around the table, create memories, and savor the moments with our Wagyu beef, the true taste of the West. The Hufeisen-Ranch, where tradition meets innovation, and every bite tells a story. Discover the extraordinary. Taste the Hufeisen-Ranch difference. Elevate your dining experience. Join us at the Hufeisen-Ranch.